Unique owl facts. Owls can rotate their necks up to 135 degrees in either direction, which gives them 270 degrees of total movement. Can see distant prey in the dark, but poor eyesight to see things up close. Owls have very strong hearing. Makes almost no sound in flight. Owls swallow their prey whole, catches its prey and crushes it to death with its powerful claws. After that, swallow it whole or tear it up. Owls are known as nocturnal animals, but not all owl species are active at night. Depending on the seasonal amount of daylight and darkness, food supply, and habitat,